Come test drive the 2026 Equinox. Fuel efficiency, safety, and value equals the Chevy Equinox. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power liftgate, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear window defroster. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.